My name is Ian. I'm from Jefferson Elementary, and I'm about to show you how to use multiplying up to solve this problem. So what I like to do, I always circle 14 for the divisor of the problem, and I always keep it on the side. So next, since it's multiplying up, you have to put the multiplication symbol, and I like using 40 since I know what 14 times 4 is, which is 56. But since there's a 0 in 40, I put 56, but then I add a 0 since there's a 0 in 40. So what I do next, I put the dividend from the equation to the side, and then the answer that I get from 14 times 40, I subtract it from 1,176. Let's subtract this real quick. So what I do next, since I did 6 minus 0 is 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. Next, I do 11. Since this part stands for 11, if you remove the comma, I subtract that. I get 6. So what I do next, since I can do 560 again, I do 14 times 40 again, which equals 560. Now I subtract that to 616. So I have to subtract 616 to 560. So 6 minus 0 is 6. And since I can't subtract 6 from 1, I have to remove 1 from the 6 in 616 and get 5. So I'll do next, turn the 1 into 11, and 11 minus 6 is 5, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So all I have to do now is figure out what 14 times some blank equals. And since I know that 40 times 14 equals, I know that if you do 4, it's going to equal 56, because 4 in 40 is just, you just add a 0. So I have to do now, subtract 56 to this 56. Now I subtract 56 to 56, and that equals 0. So what I do next, I'm going to circle all my factors, which is the 2 40s and the 4. Now I just got to add it together, and I get 84. So the answer to this equation is 84.